you. Me. 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 Moo. What's driving in a car? Yeah. This is how long we've been driving for so far, guys. I am so bored. So bored. We're in traffic, kind of. We're stuck in traffic. But you can see that we are barely moving. The camera. See, there's ground. Now we're moving. It's exciting. It's my best friend's birthday today. We're surprising her, and she doesn't know we're coming today. She thinks we're coming tomorrow, but really we're coming today. And I'm super excited. And we forgot her birthday present at home. No! I know, they're driving towards us. I throw my hands up in the air sometimes, saying, hey, don't let go. I wanna celebrate and live my life, saying, hey, baby, let's go. 'Cause we gon' rock this up, we gon' go all night, we gon' light it up like it's dynamite. 'Cause I told you once, now I told you twice, we gon' light it up like it's dynamite. I'm a zombie.
What the heck is that picture?
It's a present for Hannah from Holly. Oh yeah, my friend Holly, she drew this, and it's my friend's birthday today, so I'm giving it to her as a present. Mommy, Holly got a present for Hannah. I don't know. This is how long we've been driving now. Being trapped in a car does things to your brain. That is why mine is deteriorating. Yeah. Peace. What? Hey guys. This looks so cool. What is it? I like that.
It actually lifted.
This is how long we've been driving now.
In this whole map, there's only like
It's a long time, guys. This is how long. Shush. This is how long we've been driving for. We are 3 hours away from what? Why aren't you using yours?
I don't know where they are.
Well, find them.
Oh, I'm booked and I can't find them.
Maybe I'm using my headphones.
Oh, you're not.
Well, I am now.
You're only using them because I asked you to.
Well, maybe that may be the case, but I am still using them.
No, you're not, Nicole. You're not even listening to anything. You're talking in a video.
I am going to be listening to music,
Good.
including Tiffany Albert, because that is actually Al Board.
Bored.
What? We're gonna be listening to some music, yeah. Say my name, rolling in the deep. You belong with me. That's what I'm listening to, peeps. We started the car to drive it. This is how long we've been driving for. There we go. That's how long we've been driving for, people. My brother's singing about him being a pancake. If you can hear him. Pancake, yo, pancake, yo. We are pancakes.
I used to be a pancake.
I used to be a pancake. Yo.
And now I'm still
Epic
a
rhyme,
pancake.
right? Yeah. I
was
should
made
totally
with
get like a Grammy. No, I'm using them.
No, you're not. Okay, now you are, but you weren't. Seriously.